Hey you guys, how's it going? This is CAC. Here was another drawing tutorial. Today we're gonna turn a number 2 into a swan. Hope you guys enjoyed and have fun. So let's get your pencils and papers and let's get started. So let's draw number 2 just like this. Perfect. There you go. Remember, it doesn't have to be exactly like real nice and straight. It's just to get an idea. Now I'm going to draw 2 circles. A small one up here on the top. This will indicate the head of the swan. And a big one at the bottom. This one is for the body. So to have a perfect circle, remember, it's supposed to be like an egg shape for the body. This little small one right here, this will be the eye of the swan. So like I said, it's not be perfect. We're going to shade it in right now. You're doing good. I like it. You guys are good at this. Now we're going to draw another line right here. This is to make the neck of the swan. See? From the top all to the bottom right here. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect, remember. In time, practice, do over and over, and it'll get better. You see. Right now, it's just to have the idea. Okay? You're doing great. So they are some superstars. Okay, now, next we're going to do a line from here, all the way out, and then back in. This is going to be the beak. Again, it doesn't have to be perfect. Just practice. Alright. Y'all having fun? I know I am. Now we're going to do the tail. Gonna go up right here. See the way we did the curve? Same thing. Everywhere is curves. It's all about shapes. You know, lines, curves, and circles. Then we're going to do another one here at the bottom. Like that. Same as the top. Exactly the same way at the bottom. So connect it like this with the points. There you go. You see that? Yeah, more and more sounding like a swan. Oh yeah. Now I'm gonna do another one. Right here. Just like the way the neck is. This is gonna be for the wing. So here we go. Just like this. There you go. We're gonna make another one further down by the tail, but a small one. Okay, right there. You see? Now we're gonna connect it just like we did the tail. There you go, just like that. We're gonna connect it. There you go. Yeah, you guys are good. Hope you're having fun. Then we're gonna go ahead and erase all these extra lines. You know that we're not using. But before we do that, one more thing we need to do is make a little small curve right there, and then another one at the bottom. This is for the beak, to show that the beak starts and ends right there. So it's part of the head. Okay? Yeah, look at that. Now we can start erasing all these extra lines that are on there, so that way you don't see all the circles and stuff. But if you want to keep them on there so that when you practice later, you have them, that's fine. You know, it's not a problem. And if you think you can remember, just go ahead and do it. And erase them. You know, but that's how you draw a swan. See, it's not easy. Just circles and curved lines. And we did it all for a number 2. Oh, you guys are amazing. Okay, now I'm gonna do one more line, you know, right here by the wing. That's just to give it like, it's just like a little feather line. So, right there to right there. See? Remember, the bottom's gonna be wider and then closer at the top. And then we're just gonna go with a curve to follow the other one. Like this. There you go. See? There you go. There's your swan. Pretty good, ain't it? See, we thought we couldn't turn the number 2 into a swan. See, you guys are great. Well, I'm had fun. I hope you guys have fun. So now we're gonna finish it off. You don't have to, but if you want, get a dark marker or a black color or anything you have, and just trace it. Color in the eyes and then trace the body from all the way around. Look at that. Beautiful. Oh yes, beautiful swan, you guys. They're good. They're amazing. I love it. Well, I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you guys had fun. Yes, I sure did. I had a blast drawing with y'all. Now, if there's any other, let's say cartoons or fruit, animals, anything y'all want to draw, let me know. Leave a comment in the below, and I'll do it for you guys. Alright, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and let's see you again later. Have fun! Love you guys! Bye!